Hey all, good morning. How you doing? Buddy from FTRV. Today is going to be a how-to video. We got to make a little quick repair on the truck here, so stay tuned for that. This is officially going to be the last time we get to use the van for furniture pickup or delivery. I am going to put the bed platform in the next couple of days, so we'll no longer be able to use it. Just wanted to show you that real quick, but let's take a look at the truck and the issue we're having. Issue number 10, I think, in the last 6 months. Hey, before I open this door, if you like the video at the end, give us a thumbs up. Even think about subscribing. We got all kind of camping videos. We got videos on the camper van we're converting. We got some other how-to videos. If you do subscribe and do give us that thumbs up, or you do comment, thank you, because that all helps out the channel tremendously. This switch here, I noticed, is in Expeditions, Explorers, F-150s. So this will work obviously on all those. It is a 10-way switch. Make sure you pay attention to that, because they do have 4-way and 6-way, and I think even 12-way. Just make sure you get my particular truck, the 10-way switch. Basically what happened is the passenger seat here, the power seat stopped working. At least part of it. It's 10-way, so I guess 1-way stopped working, and it's the seat back. You can put it back, you just can't bring it forward again. Of course, this is Dawn's seat, so that became a pretty big issue, because inevitably you will hit that switch, and it's much easier to hit it going back than it is going forward, so it would slowly make its way back. On the way back from Anchor Downs, luckily it was in the last 10 miles or so, she ended up hitting that switch, not knowing the back went all the way down. So she had to ride home just holding herself up the last 10 miles. We're gonna get that fixed today. What I did to diagnose the problem was I came over to the driver's side here, and I just took this switch off and brought it over. I brought it over and I installed it here. Just pop this off. It's pretty easy. There's a clip up here and a clip up here, and then there's also a part here that you need to watch out for, but down here's the big one. It's actually a metal clip that's hooked to the plastic, so you don't want to screw it up. So you want to take your time getting that bottom one off. You can come from under here and do it, but I basically switched the two out, plugged the driver's side in over here, and it worked. All right, you guys are going to go up on top of my head here so I can have both my hands free. I'm going to be able to pop this off with just my hands, but I did bring a couple tools here, and I just ordered this off Amazon. You got to pay attention. The SW7259 is the passenger side. This is an original Motorcraft part. That's good. It had it listed as new/used, but then it said damaged box. But really, it does look brand new, and this was half the price. This was about 21 bucks. All right, I'm gonna get these buttons off first. This one looks like it's connected to the switch itself, but these just kind of pop off. Yeah, see that? They just pop off. Do it easy. You don't want to break anything. Oh, that one came off really easy. And like I said, you got two little clips up here, another piece of plastic here that's pretty long that holds the front end in. It's this one under here you need to worry about and just take your time with. What I'm going to do is put the seat all the way up so I have as much room as possible underneath. I went ahead and snapped these back on so we can do it all at once, but it's pretty simple. Just kind of using my fingers to pop those off. That one's at the very end. This one's about 1.5 inches in. I'm going to reach under here where that clip is and just spread it a little bit with my fingers, just to make it a little easier. See, there it is. Got to watch this piece of plastic, but reach up in there and grab that tab there and just kind of pull it just to make it easier. And then of course the clip is stuck behind here that holds the plug in. Pull that off. You're done. All right, now getting the switch itself off. It is held on by, looks like 8 tabs, 4 on each side. Of course, you don't want to break these. They're pretty pliable, you can see, but the last thing you want to do is break, you know, a couple of those, and then this thing doesn't fit in, stay in real nice. What I think I'm going to do is kind of put pressure on the plug end and slowly work my way down. Yeah, you kind of see it releasing there. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, that's it. Boom, it's out. No big deal at all. All right, let's snap the new one in. Again, I'm sure this is probably pretty easy. There it is, it's in. I'm gonna have to crouch down here a little bit, make sure you guys can see since you're up there on top of my head. But here's that tab that's gonna fit right in here to keep the front end in. But you'll hear this snap in. There we go, we're in. Now we're gonna make sure we get that tab in first, and then we can look down in here. You can see that metal clip, so make sure that's going on right, but you'll hear that click in. There, that's in, and then hit these top two. Boom, it's on. Now as it comes to these two switches, the one for the back only goes on one way. You'll see the bigger end goes at the bottom. And this one actually looks like it's universal. It could go any way. There we go. Now let's see. It would always go back. It wouldn't come forward. And of course it's working. I decided to fire up the truck, get in the air condition a little bit. It is already, according to this, 90 degrees. Well, we got that repair done. It was 20 bucks on Amazon. Like I said earlier, it was listed as new used. I really think it was because the box was damaged. I don't know, because the part itself looks brand new. But new on Amazon, it was around $40. Ironically, a little more expensive than the driver's side. But if you go to Ford and do that, I'd say you'd probably pay 300 bucks to have that part installed at Ford. So hopefully this video helped you out. You got one installed on the cheap here. We love doing that. I love doing my own repairs and saving the money. So if you like this video, please give us that thumbs up, subscribe, share with your friends, comment below. We love reading the comments. Let us know if you want to see anything else. We'll put on other repairs we do here on this truck, because it's at the point where it's starting to need some. It's close to 10 years old, 221,000 miles. So we'll probably have to do other at-home repairs to save money. All right, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.